Hi everyone, welcome to the Crafty Corner. I'm putting a gift box together and I just wanted to let you watch me do that. And so you can see how I do it. I'll first start by putting in my packing paper. And that's just to give me a little bit of rise on the bottom of the box, from the bottom of the box. I don't roll my packing paper all the way up into a tight ball, but I do smoosh them down together. And this box is going to put 4 of them in there. I got this box at the Dollar General. And it was not on sale. It was $3. Alright, then I'm going to go in and put the lid in once I got those 4 packing papers in there. Make sure the wording on your lid is turned the correct way, so make sure you check that. Because you don't want to tape it down, get it secure, and then risk messing it up because it's in the wrong direction. Alright, then I go in with a piece of tape and I tape in the back of my box. I tape the lid to the box so that the lid doesn't move around. You'll find with these boxes that the lid is just a tad wider than the actual box itself, so you want to tape that lid so that it doesn't move, otherwise it may pop out on you. Alright, then I'm going to go in with some tissue, and I take my tissue paper. I decided to go with the light pink here, and I'm going to fold it down so that it fits. And when I put my tissue paper in, I fit it to the bottom as well as the lid. Alright, my open ends I fold in just to give me a clean edge. Alright, so now I've got my clean edge there. I'm going to go in and tuck this tissue paper in. And I'll be sliding it down the lid of the box while I'm tucking, and that way I know exactly how much I need to fold for the lid. And I fold it down just to give it a little extra cushion, and I leave a little slack there so that I can actually get it in there and still have somewhat of a smooth surface for my gift items that I put in there. When I got all the tissue paper at the Dollar Tree, they have packs of 10 sheets. So I got several of them. I also picked up the Everlasting Love Spa Lux body lotion. And I'm going to use the Spa Lux Everlasting Love body scrub. Alright, now I will tape these down in place so that they stay there. I'm also using the Valentine's soap from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to tape that right at the top, just above the body scrub. Alright, now I'm going to tape those down. I'll do that off camera. And they will be straighter once I tape them down in place. Alright, so there they are. Now I have these lip glosses that I got off Temu. And there's 4 of them in the pack. They were very inexpensive, so I did buy several of these. I do have some other boxes that I've already made with these in it. And I'm going to tape this in place as well. And I'll show you how I do that. I like to use the clear tape, and this is the duct tape. I like this brand. It is very sturdy, very strong, and it holds the items in place. Alright, and I just go in with the duct tape. I roll it, put it on the back of the lip gloss, And then I'm going to lean it and stick it to the box as well as the body scrub. And then I took some candy hearts and kisses and packaged them real nicely in these bags. And I'm putting that in the front of the box to add some color as well as some decoration to the box. All right, and then I'm going to take the white heart confetti and I'm going to use it as my filler. And here you can see what it looks like with the confetti added. Off camera, I kept seeing all the pink at the bottom, so I decided to remove some of the white hearts, and I filled it with the rose petals and put the white hearts on top of the rose petals, just to give this box some feel to it. But this is it. I think that this box turned out lovely. So here's just another crafting idea for you. I appreciate you. Thank you to all my new subscribers. And if you've been rocking with me for a while, thank you for tuning in and watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and that it gives you some inspiration and ideas for your gift boxes. Thank you.